Akyem legacies. The people of Adansi began to move away many years ago after the Denchira state defeated the Adansi kingdom. After their defeat, Adansi became part of the Denchira kingdom and had to serve them. They left Adansi because they could no longer endure the harsh rule of Denchirahene, Werempe Ampem, Boa Amponsem I, Bosianti, and Entim Jakari. Later, when the Asante kingdom defeated Denchirahene, Entim Jakari, the Adansi state joined the Asante kingdom and became part of it. The capital of Adansi at that time was Fomena. According to legends, Akyem Mansa refers to the three traditional states of Akyem in the present eastern region of Ghana. These three states, Akyem Abwakwa, Akyem Kotoku, and Akyem Bosomi, were originally related.